Zelle, the missing piece in your SoFi app? Ever split a dinner bill with friends and scramble to find the exact amount in cash? Or maybe you need to send some quick cash to a family member for an unexpected expense. In today's digital world, the need for fast and easy money transfers is more important than ever. That's where person-to-person, P2P, payment services like Zelle come in. They allow you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in a matter of minutes. But what if your bank of choice is SoFi? Can you harness the power of Zelle through your SoFi account? The answer used to be a bit of a gray area. Let's rewind a bit. For a while there, SoFi wasn't integrated with Zelle. This meant SoFi users had to look for alternative ways to send or receive P2P transfers. It wasn't ideal, but thankfully, things have changed. SoFi and Zelle, a match made in money transfer heaven? Here's the good news, SoFi finally began rolling out Zelle integration in late 2023. This means SoFi checking and savings members can now leverage the Zelle network for their money transferring needs. But hold on a sec, there might be a tiny catch. Remember, the rollout happened in stages. So, while some SoFi members might have had access to Zelle right away, others had to wait a bit longer. The good news is that by now, the rollout should be complete, and most SoFi users should have Zelle functionality within their app. Alright, I'm a SoFi user. How do I use Zelle? If you're a SoFi member and you're wondering how to use Zelle, it's actually quite straightforward. Here's a quick breakdown. Check your app. First things first, open your SoFi app and see if you have a Zelle section. If it's there, you're good to go. Enrollment. If you're a new Zelle user, you'll need to enroll. This usually involves linking your US mobile number or email address to your SoFi account. You might also need to verify your information with a one-time code. Sending and receiving money. Once you're enrolled, using Zelle within SoFi is a breeze. You can choose to send money to someone from your contacts list or by entering their email address or mobile number. Just pick an amount, add a note, optional, and hit send. Receiving money works similarly, you'll just need to provide your contact details to the sender. Is there anything else I should know about Zelle on SoFi? While SoFi and Zelle are a great combo, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Double-check your recipient. Sending money through Zelle is final. Make absolutely sure you're sending it to the right person. Once it's gone, it's gone. Zelle transactions are not reversible. It's for trusted contacts. Zelle is fantastic for sending money to friends, family, or trusted individuals. However, it's not recommended for online transactions with strangers or for business purposes. There are no buyer/seller protections with Zelle, so be cautious. So, can you use Zelle in SoFi? In most cases, yes. The wait is over, and SoFi members can now enjoy the convenience of Zelle for their money transfers. Just remember to be responsible and use it with trusted contacts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.